How to make a DIY loom? Let's learn to weave like the men of the Neolithic. You need the lid of a shoebox, dressmaker's scissors, cotton or wool thread, preferably thick. Neolithic men certainly had rather thick yarns. A toothpick, a bag sealer, and a piece of scotch tape to make the needle. Neolithic men used small pointed bones in which they made a hole. 2 cards with 6 cuts, about half a centimeter long. The Neolithic used loom combs like these. Make at least 6 holes on each side of the lid. With 6 holes you can make a bracelet. Make 6 small cuts over each hole. Thread the warp thread into the needle and then into the holes in this way, and fix the thread in the cuts. Arrange the 2 cards with the 6 cuts at the beginning and at the end. They will keep the warp threads closer to each other and allow the bracelet to be closed at the end of the work. Our DIY loom is ready. A real Neolithic loom was like this. Now thread about 1 meter of thread into the needle, tie a tight knot and begin the weaving, the weft. The thread must go above and below, above and below, above and below. Now you have to start again, going in the opposite direction. Remember that the thread must always go around the last thread, so if you are finished with the thread below, you must start again with the thread above. Actually, it's very easy and you will succeed very well. With the needle, comb your fabric every now and then, bringing the weft threads together. If you need to change color or the thread is finished, tie a tight knot and start again after cutting the tails. Now the bracelet is finished. Cut the warp threads. Remove the cards at the beginning and at the end and intertwine the warp threads. If you enjoyed it, you can start over. You can also use milk boxes or other boxes. You can make fabrics of different sizes. Have fun, Neolithic weavers!